Hello everybody and welcome back to TaylorToned YouTube channel. I am Gabrielle and today we're going to take a glute focused workout. If you've not already hit subscribe, make sure you go ahead, do that now, and also leave me a comment down below in the comment section. Okay, so we're going to take a floor-based workout today. Let's get started. One of my favourite exercises, you're going to bring your left forearm down to the floor. I want you to bring both the feet in front of yourself. Now you need to have the legs in a 90-degree angle. So your knees are in front of your hips, your toes are in line with the knees. This hand comes down to the floor. Now you're going to go lift and lift. We take it down and down. We go for an up hold, lift, hold, drop and drop. So double check right now. Are your knees exactly in front of your hips here? And is your toe in line with the knee? Imagine you have your legs looped around the side of the box. Lift, take it down and down. We go up, freeze, drop, freeze, drop, freeze. So you're going up, hold, lift, hold, down and down. 3 more like this. We take it down and down. 2 more, lift and lift. We take it down and down. 1 more, go up and up. Then go drop and drop. Now squeeze the side of the leg up to the ceiling. So double check right now. You're going to look down at your own leg. Is your toe in line with the knee with one straight line? Could you balance something right here and make sure it doesn't fall off? Now bring a little tiny lift, lift. Lifts. The whole of the leg here is moving. This is a great one for working in towards your gluteus medius here and the side of the glute and really trim down the side of the leg. Little lift, little lift, little lift. You've got 8, 7. I know it's starting to burn. You've got it. Go 5, 4. We're going to lower in 3, 2, 1. Now stay right here. We're going to close for 1 and then lift for 1. Down, lift, down. Lift. It is so important. Don't hold the breath. Breathe in, exhale out, down, squeeze, drop and lift. Now if you can feel it burning into the side of the seat, you are doing it perfect. We go down, squeeze. Once you find that burn, do not give in. Embrace the burn. 7, up, 6, lift. You've got it. 5, up. Keep going. 4, lift up. 3, keep pressing through the forearm. 2, 1 more. Now you're going to lift up and hold. We are not done. Again, you have something rebalanced on the shin. Now lift up, squeeze. I know it burns. We go little up, squeeze, hold. 5 more here. 4 more here. You've got it. 3, lift, squeeze. Just go 2, lift, squeeze. Now last one, you're going to lift up and hold. Stay right there. Either stay here, advancement, flex the foot, bring the foot right around in front of yourself. I know. Go 10, go 9, go 8. It's over in 7. You've got it. Go 6, go 5, 4. We're good in 3, 2, 1. Well done. Give it a quick shake off. Straight away, roll onto your forearms. The forearms down, same side of your glute is working. Heel to glute. Now push the toe up to the ceiling and then you're going to extend the leg backwards. So extend the leg all the way backwards. Let me just creep a little bit forwards. The back leg is extended. The toe is going to go tap, tap, lift. Down, down, up. So 4. What should you be doing right now? The eye line is down to the floor, crown of the head to the bottom of your spine is nice and neutral, one gorgeous straight line. You are pulling your abs in and away from the floor, engaging your abdominals here. Tap, tap, lift. Now take a little look down at your hips. Are they square? Are both the hips the same level up and away from the floor? If your left hip is burning right now, you are sat in that hip. Little up, up, squeeze. Visualize the left side of your body, the supporting leg side, is up against a brick wall. Tap, tap, squeeze. You've got it. 7, lift. You can do this. 6, 5 more. 4, lift. 3 until stillness. 2 until stillness. Last one, lift and hold. Now press to those forearms, extend the leg. The leg is gorgeously long here. Your knee is extended, the toe is pointed, and you're gonna start drawing a little tiny circle round. Circle, circle. So do not give in to the temptation to sit into your left hip here. Do not sit in that hip. If it's aching, open the working leg hip up a tiny bit so the hips are level and square to the floor. Circle. You're drawing a circle one way and then you're gonna go other way, back round and round. So you're gonna go opposite way around your clock now. Imagine you're drawing your toe around a 2-piece coin. Circle, circle, 8, 7, 6, just go 5, 4, hold in 3, you've got it, go 2, 1, now stay there. You're gonna lift the working leg 1 more inch up to the ceiling. Really get that glute trembling and shaking, hamstring working. Modification, stay here. If you want it tougher with me, tuck the underneath toe under. Let's work your core and your abs as well. Lift the knee up and away from the floor. You've got it, do not let your working leg drop. 10, 9, 8, 7, done in 6, in 5, let it burn, go 4, 3, 2, 1, well done. Quick shake off. Bring the feet round in front of yourself. We're going to take that on the other side, but first of all, fingertips towards your heels. Now lift, press the hips up to the ceiling, squeeze the glutes together. Fingertips must be round towards your toes, knees over the top of the ankles. Now the hips go little tiny lift, up, squeeze, squeeze, lift, lift. So your eye line is just in a diagonal line in front of yourself. Your glutes squeeze together. Up at the top of this action, squeeze, lift, squeeze, lift, squeeze. Your feet are imprinted to the floor. Lift, lift. Arms are straight, eye line high. Lift, squeeze, squeeze. You've got 7, 6. You feel it burning through those glutes. 5, 4, 3, 2. Hold. You might be trembling and shaking right now. Hold on to that sensation. Hips go. Lift up, squeeze. Up, squeeze, hold. Now really pull the glutes together as you lift. Up, squeeze, hold. You've got it. Lift up, squeeze. Up, squeeze, hold. Pull the glutes together. You've got 5 seconds here. 4 more presses up. 3 pulses. Ooh, 2 pulses. Last one now, lift and hold. I want everyone right now to pull their glutes together. How badly do you want that round, brand new perky bum? Hold there. 10, 9, squeeze the glutes together. 7, 6, hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Lower yourself down. You're going to go straight into your second side. Bring your right forearm down. Now bring the legs in front of yourself. Again, 90-degree angle. Knees in front of the hips. Toes are wrapped around the box. Hand forwards. Now lift, lift, lower, lower. Go up and up. Go down and down. Lift, drop and drop. So again, you have something on the side of your leg here. You cannot let it drop. You go down and down. Go up and up. We take it down and down. 3, lift, lift, drop. Just 2 more. Up, we go down and down. 1 more, lift, lift, go down and down. Now squeeze the side of the leg up to the ceiling. Hold right here, press into the forearm. Draw the waist away from the floor. Little lift, little lift, little lift. Now you really want to get to that point where you know you're working hard, the leg is starting to burn. You want to start to fatigue out the muscle. That is how you make the change you want to your body. We're getting lean, we're getting long, we're getting toned. Lift, squeeze, 7, 6, keep going, 5, 4, 3, 2, hold here. Now go drop, lift, down, squeeze, keep going, drop and lift. I know it's starting to burn, mind over matter here. You can do this, power on through. I'm right here with you as well doing it. We go down, squeeze, you've got 7, lift, 6, squeeze, you've got 5, up, 4, lift, just give me 3, 2, last one now, lift and hold. Keep the leg up and away from the floor, now lift up, squeeze. Up, squeeze, hold, it's so tiny. Lift up, squeeze, 3, little up, squeeze, hold, 2, little up, squeeze, hold, last one, you're gonna lift up and hold, stay there. Now extend the toe forwards if you are with me, if not, keep it there. You've got 10, 9, it burns, you've got 7, 6, hold, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done, bring the legs backwards. Straight away, roll onto your forearms. We want that same working leg, so you're going to lengthen your left toe backwards, lift the leg up and away from the floor. Now tap, tap, squeeze. Go tap, tap, lift. You're pressing onto the forearms here, and you are engaging your abs. Go tap, tap, lift. Now you'll notice both my hip bones are directly down to the floor. Go tap, tap, squeeze. So the first exercise was all about lengthening, trimming down the side of the seat, and now you're going to work on focusing on rounding, sculpting, toning. We go tap, tap, lift, the top of the glute, tap, tap, lift. You're working into your gluteus maximus, the muscle that sits on top. It's going to give you that perfect rounded seat. Go tap, tap, squeeze. Go 5, lift. 4, lift. 3, you've got it. 2, lift. Last one now, lift and hold. Point the toe. You're going to go back to drawing that tiny circle round. So imagine your toe is running on the clock, on the hands of a clock is running round and round. One way, we go round, keep going, circle and circle. And now you're going to go back the other way. Circle back, stick with me, I know it's burning. Go circle, make sure the hips are square. Do not sink into that right hip. Push the side of the body up against the wall. Circle, circle, go 8, go 7, you've got it. 6, 5, 4, 3, don't give in. 2, 1, now hold there, point the toe. Can you get your leg 1 more inch up to the ceiling? If you can feel it in your hamstring and your glute, you are doing a great job, so stick with it. Hold hip option. Modification, stay here. If you want it that little bit harder, press the forearms, tuck the toe under. Let's work your abs as well. Lift the knee up and away. Go 10, go 9, you've got it. 8, 7, try to smile through it. Go 5, go 4, nearly impossible. 3, 2, 1, well done. Lower the leg down. From here, we're going to go in towards a really quick stretch of the legs. Popping your left foot over the top of the right knee. Pull the hips forward to figure 4, stretch it out. Breathe in, breathe, exhale away. Other side. Left foot over the top of the right knee. Draw the knee in, push into it. And then from here, all the way through the center, you're going to close the legs. Pop the hands onto your knees, roll the shoulders backwards and down. Breathe in, breathe, exhale away. And well done. You have made it through your glute and hamstring workout today. Leave me a comment down below if you loved this video. Also, make sure you give me a thumbs up, make sure you hit subscribe as well, and you can join me for more workouts, nutritional advice, and special recipes which will be coming up, including gluten-free and nut-free. I'm Gabrielle. Let me know you loved the workout. See you all soon. Bye.